beautiful people, and welcome to the Wicked movie premiere right here in Monte Casino in the heart of Johannesburg, South Africa.
I'm Dazzling.
I am Kim Jade, and I'm beyond excited to be right here on the Yellow Brick Road. Let's get into it right now. We are live from the Yellow Brick Road, and I'm here with the gorgeous Simone. Simone, babe, talk to me about your outfit and the inspiration.
Alphabet all the way.
I'm Team Glinda.
Like, yes, guys.
Obviously Glinda.
I'm seeing
I use my alphabet.
Alphabet.
I mean. Now tonight we have so much going on. There is a 360 cam, there are cocktails that are inspired by the characters, and there's so much buzz and excitement. But tell me, who are you most excited to see in the actual movie?
Cynthia.
Yes, correct.
I am massive Cynthia Erivo fan. I think she's pushing boundaries and she's going to show us all why she got the role.
Rihanna, obviously.
Okay, we got
who else
Ari
thank you
back.
next?
There are such beautiful themes in here. We are super excited to bring all of this to
Oh my
Mzansi.
gosh. And now it's time for us to watch the show.